Cisco's AI-BOM scanner. Right now, your enterprise codebase is likely hiding dozens of undocumented AI agents and rogue prompts that traditional security scanners cannot see. To fix this massive blind spot, Cisco just open-sourced its AI Bill of Materials, or AI-BOM. It is a highly specific source code scanner designed to rip through repositories and extract the exact provenance of every model, dataset, and agent buried in the stack. Why SBOMs fail for agents. A standard software bill of materials tracks packages and dependencies, but it completely misses the model context protocol servers, vector databases, and system prompts that actually drive AI applications. Cisco's tool uses a three-tier detection system to map these untracked components. It starts with deterministic code scanning, using tools like libcst for Python to extract literal patterns. Then it moves to cross-reference resolution. Finally, it uses LLM-powered agentic classification to identify complex agent-to-agent communications and shadow tools that developers quietly slipped into production. But mapping this architecture is only the first step towards stopping a new class of supply chain attacks: AI supply chain attacks. When you allow autonomous agents to execute code or query databases without a strict inventory, a compromised third-party model can trigger cascading network failures. We are already seeing vulnerabilities where poisoned data or malicious instructions spread from one agent to another simply because the host application lacked clear lineage. By enforcing an AI bomb, security operators can detect whether a local model derives from an untrusted base family by checking weights and architecture metadata. They can also systematically verify if a shadow tool has permissions it shouldn't possess. This mechanical shift from reactive guardrails to build-time governance sets up a massive change in enterprise liability, the liability shift. The real implication of Cisco open-sourcing its AI-BOM scanner is not just about mapping dependencies or stopping supply chain attacks. It is a formal admission that the era of deploying unverified shadow AI is ending. When enterprise tools automatically scan repositories for rogue agent-to-agent communications, liability shifts directly from the individual developer to the security team's audit logs. If an engineering pod builds an internal tool using a random open-weight model and it leaks data, the AI-BOM ensures there is a permanent, undeniable record of that integration. Developers will now have to justify every vector store and model context protocol server they commit to the codebase. Watch for major enterprise procurement contracts over the next 6 months to explicitly mandate AI-BOMs, turning model provenance from a theoretical security exercise into a hard legal requirement. Subscribe for more